Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your diagnostics settings or preventing this device from getting insider. This device from getting insider builds in Windows 10 PC. So to fix this error, firstly click on Start, then Settings. In here click on Privacy. Now click on Diagnostics and Feedback. So in here you need to click on this second option, optional diagnostic data. So friends, in here you need to select this second option, optional diagnostic data. So to fix that error, you need to open this page and select this second option. Now close it and restart your PC. Hopefully friends, by this quick and easy method you can fix that error. Thanks for watching.